Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the code on your Kwikset SmartCode 913 lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to simply press the program button once on the interior side of the lock. So you need to simply remove this particular cover, and inside it you are going to see a program button. So you need to press the program button over here, then you need to press this particular lock button. Afterwards, you need to start entering the master code, and then you need to press the lock button again. After doing so, you need to start entering the user code that you want to remove. Then press the lock button in order to basically save that particular change. Now you may also need to re-enter the same user code, and then you need to press the same lock button in order to basically make the removal successful. So if it is successful, the lock will confirm that the code has been deleted. Now, if you want to add the new user into it, you just have to simply go back to the interior cover, and then you just have to simply press the power button again. Then again, simply enter the master code and press the lock button. After doing so, you just have to simply start entering the new user code that you want to use, and this code should be between 4 to 8 digits. Afterwards, you just have to press the lock button again in order to save it. So if the programming is successful, the keypad will confirm that the new code has been stored. So finally, you can test the new code while the door is still open to make sure that it unlocks the lock correctly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.